Welcome to Qredo. In this video, we will demonstrate the receiving of assets into your Celestia wallet and walk you through how to stake them. To view your current balance, click on Check Balance and History. I can see that I have a balance of 0. I will now go ahead and fund my wallet. For this, I send assets from one of my external wallets to my TIA wallet that is secured by Qredo's DMPC. I copy my TIA wallet address and initiate the transaction. I can now confirm that my assets have been received. Let's proceed to stake these assets. To do this, I'll return to my Qredo workspace. Within my Celestia wallet, I click on Stake. I can see the source wallet out of which my assets will be staked. I then select the amount I want to stake. Please keep in mind that assets are required to cover fees. Therefore, it is advisable to not stake all of your assets, but keep a small amount unstaked to cover future transactions. You also have the option to set custom fees. By default, Qredo provides the optimal fees to cover the transaction cost. We recommend using custom fees only during periods of fee spikes, or if the transaction needs immediate deployment. Let's proceed with initiating the action. Approval via the Qredo signing app is required, in line with the policies set for your Celestia wallet. Once the action has been approved, I can confirm that my assets have been successfully delegated. Thank you for watching this video. We'll keep you informed about any further updates, and please feel free to reach out to your Qredo team with any questions.